Okay, I found the break. This is the cable that's giving me, this is the wire that's giving me a problem. And this side, this end of it is hooked to the, that's hooked to the female connection that goes to the accumulator. And you can see when I click it here, solid sound. And on the other side of this chunk here that I cut away, you see this part, and so if I connect my ground to that pin and then to this wire, doesn't sound good, does it? No. I think if I fasten this wire down so it can't move, I really can't get in and change anything with these pins inside. There's no place that I can really solder anything or see what the connection is. But it seems like when I hold this wire flat against the bundle there, and I'll try that again when I tape everything up and splice a joint here, a piece of wire between those two. And we'll check it again before I tape it all up and try it. But that's where I think it is. I was thinking it was here at this connection where these two go together, but that looked pretty good. And as I started moving it around, it ended up being in this section of the wire, and I went out a little ways this way. And then when I held the wire stationary here and wiggled it down this way, then I got the intermittent sound. So that's sort of the method that I use to try to find it. Again, some work to do, but I'm getting closer.